Good morning. The pool is doing better, and it's a lot cleaner. But we actually gonna update the system, and we're gonna remove my Polaris 380. I mean, it did great for a long time. We had cleaned it for up since we purchased the pool. Since we put the pool, and that's probably about 18 years. So that cleaner has been working great. But I think it's time to update. So we're getting this. I already purchased this JC, excuse me, JCRX from Leslie's. It's supposed to be a jacuzzi brand, but according to the people from Leslie's, they said that it was made in combination with Polaris. So anyway, this thing's supposed to come with the caddy and everything, to carry it. So here's the unit, and I'm gonna put it together right now, and I'm gonna put it in the pool. I'm gonna put it to work. So I think I can just take it out of the box and just put it in the pool, put it to work. What is gonna take me a little bit of putting together is just gonna be the caddy, to carry the unit to put it away. But right now, if I'm gonna put it in the pool, I can just take it out of the box and connect the power unit and put it to work. So anyway, we'll do that. Let me just get it out of the box. Let me unpack this, okay? And then I'll show it to you guys working. I'm just gonna pause the video right now. Thank you. Okay, I got it out of the box and just about ready to connect it. Actually, I have to cut this little plastic ties that it has. I have to cut them. I like this. See, look at this. I like this feature here. So that means my cable is not gonna get all tangled up. And it's ready. It's almost ready to go. Does make a lot of noise. We were looking at the unit in the store. It does make a lot of noise when you open this. So, yeah. Hey, why? Do you know this one doesn't make noise like the other one, Roberto? Oh, yeah, it does when you close it. But it's less. The other one over there was making more noise. So when you close it, it makes less noise. Oh, you open it, you close it. Nice. And it's got this big filter here. So nice. Catch all the trash and dust and whatever you get. So, yep. I'll pause the video again and I'll keep going. Well, time to put this unit in the pool and just to go and turn on the switch and get it to work. So, we'll see how it works. See, I just put that unit in the pool. Gonna go and turn on the power. This is simple. See, here it shows if you want the cleaner to clean the bottom of the pool and the walls. This one is just to clean the lower part. This one is to clean both. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna clean both. And you just press that button and it'll start. So let's go back to the pool and see. Okay, it's already going. And there's our unit. I mean, everybody can do this, It is a little bit on the pricey side, but not that much money. Right now, they had a special where they were taking off, discounting $220. So by the time you pay taxes and everything, it's close to $1,000. It's like 9 something. So it is pricey, like I said, but it's worth it. That way I don't have to be spending any more time brushing my pool or cleaning my pool. This is gonna do it for me. As you can see, it's climbing up. So it cleans the water line. And let's see what it does, because I don't want this thing to get stuck there, So let's see how long it stays there at the corner of my pool. And okay, stopping, going back. Nice. That's what I want. I don't want a unit that's gonna get stuck. By the way, Leslie's gives you 30 days to return it. So you get to use it. If you don't like it, just take it back. I was thinking about getting me another unit. The other unit was about $1,400 plus tax, so it was going to be almost like about $1,600. This unit, by the way, comes with a 3-year warranty. Okay, now the unit stopped over there. Let's see what it's doing. It's actually turning. Nice. Okay. Excuse me. Let's see what it's doing there. It's turning. And it's going again. Nice. I didn't even untangle the cable. I just left the cable here on the floor, and the unit is actually pulling the cable. I want to see how good or how strong the unit is to pull the cable, and actually to pull it and put it in the pool. Well, it's climbing again. I mean, you guys can see the pool is a little bit on the hazy side, and my son is cleaning the filter right now because the pool was real green days ago. Now it looks beautiful, but it's still a little bit on the hazy side. So there's a little bit of dust inside the water, but the water is clean, but there's a little bit of dust. Here, when it gets windy, yeah, I mean, we get some dust, you know. I mean, it's not really dirty, but like I said, it's just hazy. So it's just a matter of cleaning the filter again. And with this pool cleaner, we're expecting the water to be nice and clear. So let's hope everything works out good. But anyway, just wanted to show you guys. This is what we're doing. We're using a new pool cleaner. And it's actually, like I was saying, is a GCRX from Leslie's. And it's supposed to be a jacuzzi brand, but according to the people from Leslie's, is made in combination with Polaris. And as I mentioned to you guys, it has a 3-year warranty, and that's the reason I purchased this. I was probably able to buy something else online, probably even for less money, but there's a Leslie's down the street from my house, and I just wanted to have less headaches, and I hope that's going to be the case. Okay, so this is the pool, guys. And sorry about the weeds here on the side of the pool, you know. We need to cut those little weeds here. I mean, the pool was all green. Now it's just looking better. Okay, it's looking better. Okay, so this is actually the second part of my video. The first part, the pool was green, and now you guys can see the pool is a lot better. If you guys want to see a third part of this video, I'll be glad to put it after we see this unit working. Actually, that unit right now is climbing the bench here. Actually, was able to climb all the way on top of the bench. So, excuse me. So this unit is actually going to be able to climb. I knew it was going to be able to climb the walls, but I didn't think it was going to be able to climb where the bench is. So I don't even know if it's going to climb the stairs, but we'll see. We only have 3 stairs here and a bench there on the side. And as I was talking to you guys, I noticed the unit was there on top of the bench. I was like, oh. I purchased some other units in the past. They didn't do what this unit is doing. So that is nice. I wasn't expecting this unit to be able to do something like that. Anyway, I'll make a third video after this one. Let's say this is gonna be the second video, okay? The first one shows the pool all green. Now the water is a lot better, but still not clear. It looks beautiful, but it's still not clear. Okay, I want to be able to show you guys my pool all clear after. I mean, the first part I added the Chlorinator. The second part, I'm actually adding this robotic pool cleaner and replacing my Polaris 380. My Polaris 380 is this unit here, and this unit was doing great, but it's time for this unit to retire. You know, it's been working for 18 years. So I think it's time for this unit to just take a break. I think it did well. It did well for a long time. But this unit is actually picking up just a little bit. It's working for hours, and it doesn't really pick up a lot, as you guys can see. That other unit's been working for, what? Since we started the video. And let me show you guys. Let's see how the unit's doing. It's been working for 10, 15 minutes probably. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go to I was just about to finish the video, but no, I want to show you guys. Okay, you see, I'm going to go to the control here, and I'm going to press lift. So that means the unit's supposed to come back to the edge of the pool and for me to take it out. Let's see if it works. Let's see if it works. It's coming back. Let's see what the unit's going to do. It's coming back. And now it's going to hit my stairs. So let's see what it's going to do there. I'll be amazed if it actually climbs the stairs. And look at that. It's actually doing it. But no. Oh yeah, it's doing it. That's amazing. That is amazing. Yeah, I can say that's incredible. Look at this unit. I mean, the cable's on the way there, but let's see what's gonna happen. I mean, it's already in a place where I can just grab it and bring her out. So I guess that's what they want me to do. Okay, and it was working, like I said, for about let's say 10 minutes. Oh, it's already picking up some trash. So it was doing good for 10 minutes. So you see that? Excuse me. Yep, it's got some trash there. And if you want to clean this filter, you just take it and rinse it. No big deal. See how it comes out? Anyway, as I mentioned to you guys before, I was just about to finish the video, but I was curious about this feature of how to bring it back to pick it up. So it does work good. Okay, close it, and it's going back in the pool. So anyway, we're doing it again. I just wanted to see how it works. Now I know. Okay. Anyway, sorry about making it longer. So now I already pressed to start, and it's gonna start all over again. It does look like a strong unit. It's already climbing again. And it's able to climb my stairs, so I was surprised. And it's able to climb the bench. That's really what I wanted. So anyway, thank you guys. And it will be, I'll have a third part of this video. That way you guys can see how the pool is improving. Like I said, on the first part, we actually installed a salt chlorinator. And that was this one here from Blueworks, okay? And now on this second part, we're putting this Jacuzzi brand robotic cleaner. That's cool. Look at how it turns. That is nice. So thank you guys, and sorry about that. I was eating earlier, and I guess that was kind of spicy, so it's hitting me. Okay, thank you guys, and I'll see you guys on the third video. Thank you. Bye.